Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online. Today, we're talking about something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. What if you could create a blockbuster film, a viral marketing video, or a dynamic educational animation, not with a camera but with a keyboard? What if all you had to do was describe a scene, and it would magically appear on your screen? Well, the curtain is rising on this new era. We're stepping into the world of generative video, a revolutionary technology that creates moving images from simple text. And the engine behind this magic is the incredible partnership between artificial intelligence and the science of language. At its core, generative video is powered by something called natural language processing, or NLP. This is the branch of AI that allows computers to understand human language, not just as a series of words, but with context, meaning, and even emotion. When you type in a prompt, say a golden retriever catching a red frisbee in a sunny park, the AI doesn't just see the words. It acts like a film director reading a script. It uses techniques like tokenization and part-of-speech tagging to break down the sentence, identifying the subject, the action, the object, and the environment. It builds a structured, comprehensive understanding of the scene you want to create. Once the AI understands the what, it needs to figure out the how. This is where incredibly sophisticated generative models come into play, primarily diffusion models and transformers. Think of a diffusion model like a sculptor. It starts with a block of random digital noise, like a block of marble, and slowly chips away, refining the image step by step until it perfectly matches the text description, resulting in highly detailed and realistic visuals. Then you have transformer models. These were originally built for language translation, but it turns out they're amazing at understanding long-range relationships in data. For video, this is crucial. It means they can keep a character or object consistent and believable across many frames, ensuring smooth and coherent motion. You've probably heard of the big names leading this charge. OpenAI's Sora, which can generate stunningly realistic videos up to a minute long, and Google's Veo. But there are also powerful open-source models like Hunyuan and Wan 2.1 that are showing incredible capabilities, sometimes even rivaling their closed-source competitors in cinematic quality. So the process is like an AI-driven film production. First, the AI analyzes your script and creates a virtual storyboard. Then, it generates the individual frames, either by creating entirely new visuals or pulling from vast media libraries. Finally, it adds the finishing touches. It can select background music, generate a voiceover, and even create automatic subtitles. The implications here are massive. This technology is set to democratize video creation. For filmmakers, it means drastically lower production costs and the ability to experiment with scenes and effects instantly. For marketers, it means creating personalized ad campaigns at a massive scale. In education, complex ideas can be brought to life with engaging animations. We're even seeing the rise of AI influencers, virtual personalities who can promote brands without a human ever stepping in front of a camera. Of course, with any powerful new technology, there are serious challenges to consider. The potential for misuse, especially in creating convincing deepfakes for misinformation or fraud, is a major concern. We have to develop robust ways to detect AI-generated content and ensure responsible use. We also need to have a serious conversation about the impact on creative jobs. Generative video isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in our visual language. It's the culmination of decades of research, finally bridging the gap between human imagination and the moving image. As these tools become more powerful and accessible, we are standing on the edge of a creative explosion where the only limit is what we can dream up. The future of video is here, and it's being written, quite literally, by all of us. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.